Hi everyone, my name is Michael Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. To learn more about who we are before I jump into this video, just pause it, go to Google, type in Paul Sherry RV. There you'll find our reviews, so check us out, check out what real customers are having to say about us, and then check out our website too. So onto this trailer behind me. This is a Forest River Vibe, and I've said this about Vibe for years, that if you want the biggest bang for your money, biggest bang for your buck, shop the Forest River Vibes and Fiberglass trailers. They, by all means, you're going to get the most features, the most amenities in a fiberglass trailer for your money in a Forest River Vibe, hands down. So I'm going to flip this around and show you this 2020 and a half Forest River Vibe. So this is a 2020 and a half. How we decipher the 2020s from the 2020 and a halves on the Forest River Vibes. The easy way is the striping on the exterior is gray and does not have an orange stripe in it. The 2020s does have the orange stripe. The 2020s and a half does not. There's also a lot of upgrades on the 2020 and a halves that the 2020s don't have, but quick look. It doesn't have that orange stripe. It's a 2020 and a half. The Forest River Vibe comes with a 3/4 front cap here. This particular trailer is a 32BH 2-slide travel trailer. Probably going to be a really strong half ton, maybe like one of those new ones that can pull 9,000 pounds, or definitely a 3/4 ton travel trailer. To give you an idea about where we're at with this trailer, again, fiberglass 3/4 front cap with the diamond plate rock guard down here. Probably one of the best designs in the front end of a travel trailer that they make. Does come with a battery disconnect, which I like. A nice battery disconnect. So you can disconnect that power, so when you go to use your camper the next time, your battery is not drained. Also, this little feature I like here, it's got a spot to hold your 7-pin while you're not using it. It's cool, keeps it facing down out of the elements. It comes with 2 propane bottles that'll be filled by the dealership here and a brand new battery. There's no charge for that. So I'm hearing a lot of dealers are charging for this and a lot of other fees. Paul Sherry RVs, you can be certain we are no gimmicky fee store. So price you see is the price you pay, plus your taxes, and that's depending on where you live, and title fee of $283.50. This is an aluminum built travel trailer. This is going to, you can see some of the aluminum studs. That's how they make this Vibe. Relatively lightweight, which is nice. So coming on down here, we'll get to the weight once we get to the door there. 2 slides on this side, so both the slides are on the non-fun side, I would say, which is nice. So the slides aren't getting in the way of your awning or anything there. Rear of the trailer has a spot for your spare tire mounted right to the bumper. Check out our website. And then towards the top, it does have the domed roof, which is really cool. You never want a flat roof trailer or fifth wheel or RV, anything. You always want a curved roof. That's going to allow the water to roll off nice. Has the power awning, which I've got out full tilt. This is an adjustable awning, so you notice it's pretty flat now. You can adjust it, just loosen the swing nut and slide that in. That's going to tilt this end. You can do it on either end to allow the rain to roll off nicely on it. Really cool, innovative outside kitchen. Now, this is new for the 2020 and a halves. So it actually have 2 dorm fridges. So maybe you got your adult fridge and the kids fridge, or however you want to do it, but you have 2 outside fridges. Nice Jensen, I believe 32-inch flat screen television. Some good storage up here. You have your power hookup. Nice metal workstation here. Good spot for blenders and extra appliances. You have the power for it there as well. And then you have a port here, a spray port. So you do have water out here on this outside kitchen. Triple step to get into. This is what I would call the secondary door. Goes right to the bathroom. Great spot to shoot the guests to. This is what the half bath. So this is a bath and a half travel trailer. So it just has your toilet in it. But if guests are over, the kids or whatever, shoot them right in that door so they don't have to trek through your whole camper. Outside speakers, it has 2 of them up here. That's going to be really nice. They're up out of ear level, which I like, so the music's not blasting right in your ear. This also has 2 axles, and they are spread apart axles. It's called the secure stance axles. That allows the weight to be more evenly distributed. Allows for easier towing, easier backing up, and less sway while going down the road. This is, again, the 32BH Vibe. It does have heated tank pads and a heated underbelly that allows you to camp in this camper for more time throughout the year. So you can camp in it earlier in the spring, later in the fall. By no means is this a 4-season travel trailer. You're going to they really don't, in my opinion, they don't build one. So I don't like companies and salespeople telling you that the trailers are 4 seasons, because that's just really not true. You really got to jump up to a really expensive trailer or a really expensive fifth wheel for that to be true. So weight on this is 7,500 pounds. So again, strong half-ton truck could pull this. Definitely a 3/4 ton truck otherwise. So in the main slide, we had the big oversized U dinette. We also have the tri-fold sleeper sofa. So both come down for extra sleeping. So you can sleep 4 people just in this area here. Big windows. I like windows. When I go camping, I want to see what's around me. So that's cool. See the nice natural scenery. Have a couple doors here. You have a pantry in between them. Before we get to those, we'll jump to the kitchen. The kitchen has a really unique refrigerator. This is the Way fridge, 12-volt only refrigerator. It's got a 12-volt compressor. It's working right now off my little battery that I have on the front there. And it's already cool. They've had this fridge out for about 2 years now. Really good fridge. Haven't had really any issues that I know about with it here at the dealership. Stainless steel microwave and a range vent hood. And then some storage up here. Decent countertop space. It's amplified by the sink cover here and then the cover on top of the stove. Now this stove is a propane stove, 3 burners. And it has the door so you can see what's inside the oven. And then I like this too. We're starting to see this a little bit, this drawer here. Hot pan drawer, just like what you'd have in your oven at home. Big basin stainless steel sunk in sink, so it's got the nice countertops that are seamless. Nice feature there. And then entertainment system here. So we have oversized television. I'm bad at sizes, but that's bigger than a 40-inch. Jensen television that's coupled here with your radio. This radio now plays music on those outside speakers along with these speakers here. It's also a DVD player and CD player and an AM, FM radio player, and also has an auxiliary port, a USB port, and a Bluetooth capability. So that does everything but 8 tracks. Furrion, this is your space heater and fireplace. That's going to be nice. Take the chill out. Here's your control panel. That's going to work a lot of your lights, your slides, your awning, that kind of stuff right here. Your monitor panel will tell you your levels on all your tanks. All right, let's check out the main bedroom and bathroom. Bathroom's through this door here. So again, bath and a half, but this is your main bathroom. So this will have your shower in it, just stand-up shower, nice glass surround, so we can see. And then I like this bathroom because it's pretty big. Look at the footprint here. Definitely an area where you can get changed, which I appreciate that. All right, then through this door, I love opening up this door. So I don't know if I can get back far enough, but let me just, let's zoom up here. Look how this door opens. Isn't that cool? So it allows you to have a door in a space that is a little bit small. Cool bedroom. So wardrobes, your typical bedroom wardrobes on both sides. Just a comfortable feeling bedroom. Queen bed here. You have plenty of room to walk around. So nice comfortable bedroom. The ceiling height is nice and tall in here. I do have a spot to hang a television and the appropriate wiring for it right there on the wall. All right, so that's the bedroom. And now let's go to the bonus room. But before we get there, we'll jump to the half bath, which is through this door. This trailer's just full of surprises. So have your hot and cold water, a little bit of a mirror, and we saw this from the outside. This is that bathroom stool. All right, so pantry off to the left, and then this door is your bonus room or bunk room. A lot of nice stuff back here. Big space. Have a bunk up here, a ladder to get up into that bunk, all kinds of storage in those cabinetries, storage below, and then we have another bunk over here. And now this bunk here, this top bunk actually folds up because there's a couch that comes out to a big sleeping area right below it. So So that completes this Forest River vibe. I hope you liked it. Reason we do these videos is to show you what's new out in the industry, and to also encourage you, if you're in the market or know someone who is, to give us an opportunity to earn your business. So I'll post links below that has our contact information and that kind of stuff. So make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching.